Honorable Prime Minister, Your Excellency, the Ambassador of Japan to Fiji, officials and players of the national sporting bodies, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Nisambula Vinaka and a very good afternoon to you all. It is indeed a pleasure to be invited to this special occasion during these new normal times and to officiate at today's reception to begin our one-year countdown to Tokyo 2020 Olympic and Paralympic Games. I'm honored and thankful for the invitation, which will definitely be remembered in years to come. Ladies and gentlemen, before I carry on, I would like to take this time to remember the Japanese families who have lost their loved ones during the COVID-19 pandemic. I can also imagine the pain that each family is going through during this new normal time. At the same time, while Japan may be very far away, remember Fiji is your home and family during these tough times. Yes, COVID-19 pandemic has also touched the livelihoods of all Fijians and transformed our way of doing things, but also challenged us to rise and keep moving forward. With the motivation of the Fijian government, all Fijians are working together to see that we all focus in preventing the spread of this deadly virus. Fiji and Japan have shared an excellent relationship history. We have come a very long way and have become family friends, as I may say. In the past years, we have seen a lot of initiatives from both sides collaborating in the area of youth and sports development. May I at this juncture congratulate the Japanese government for successfully hosting the 2019 Rugby World Cup. This Rugby World Cup will be a memory to 16 youths from Fiji who were invited to attend a 2-week youth sports and culture exchange program in Japan. Earlier this year, the ministry also made arrangements for another Fijian youth to attend the Pacific Island countries' youth project. This is Team Fiji's pre-games training venue for the Tokyo 2020 Games. Unfortunately, due to COVID-19, this program was postponed. I would also like to commend the support and assistance given to our local sporting bodies through the Sport for Tomorrow. Assistance and support through the provision of technical expertise and sports equipment is sincerely appreciated given the needs in place. With the new normal, the ministry has strengthened collaboration with relevant stakeholders to support all national sporting organizations in ensuring the new Safe Sports Fiji protocols. These protocols encompass the new methods of training and competition for all sports. Since health and hygiene is critical, all stakeholders and the public must play their roles in making sure that all Fijians return to recreational activity and sports, but with strict adherence to the Ministry of Health's guidelines and Safe Sports Fiji protocol. Given the current situation, Fijian athletes have been challenged both physically and mentally in preparation for the Tokyo 2020. However, we are thankful for government support and to Fiji Association of Sports, National Olympic Committee, and the Fiji National Sports Commission in providing assistance and guidance to athletics, organization, athletes, coaches, and administrators. With sports as an enabler, the Fiji and Japan relationship has been made stronger moving forward during this COVID-19 period. Ladies and gentlemen, in spite of the difficult decision to postpone Tokyo 2020, let us cooperate towards the realization of Games in 2021. With that, I hope you all have glasses. I kindly invite everyone to raise a glass as I propose a toast with 1 year to go. Bula. Naka.
He's over there because of what's happened, and it's in his favor. As we all well know, all teams need to be managed. Here in brief are the Team Fiji management crew, and I'd ask them to come forward too because they play a critical role in the overall team. Provisional general managers, Wayne O'Connor and RJ Bala. Handling sponsorship, marketing and public relations. Team Fiji's medical team, Dr. Choni Nosome, our financial controller. We've got background people who help in